If you need to add 2, 3, or even more pictures to a single Instagram story, then follow the steps in the video in order to do just that. Also, before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel because it would really help us out. So the first thing that we'll do is to open our Instagram story camera by swiping from the left side to the right. Make sure that story is selected at the bottom. I'm then going to click on this Create option, which is located at the left. It's going to give me a colorful story background, which is the base for my story, and you can change the color to something else by clicking this color wheel at the bottom right corner of the screen. I'll set this to a simple white background, and then I'll add my photo by tapping on the little sticker icon at the top of the screen. Then locate this Photo button, which is going to open the photo gallery for us, so add your first photo onto the story, and then repeat the process. Select the sticker at the top of the screen, click on Photo, and then add your second, your third photo, or how many you need to. See you in the next video, everyone.